Okay, let's take a look at question 1 from the 2015 exam. The rate at which rainwater flows into a drain pipe is modeled by the function r, where RT is equal to 20 sine t squared over 35 cubic feet per hour. T is measured in hours, and then the time is measured between 0 and 8 hours. The pipe is partially blocked, allowing water to drain out the other end of the pipe at a rate modeled by dt equals to negative 0.04 t cubed plus 0.4 t squared plus 0.96 t cubic feet per hour for 0 to 8 hours. There are 30 cubic feet of water in the pipe at time t equals 0. How many cubic feet of how many cubic feet of rainwater flow into the pipe during the 8-hour time interval between 0 and 8? Okay, so a couple things to pay attention to when you read the question. First off, in the beginning it says the rate at which rainwater flows into a drain pipe is modeled by this function. So this is a function of rate, which helps you to indicate that if you integrate this function, you get what? If you integrate this, you end up getting an amount. This is very similar to question 1, actually, literally question 1 from the 2016 exam. So I encourage you to look back at question 1 to see how to, for 2016, to have an idea of what to do here. The second part of this says that water is allowed to drain at the other end of the pipe at a rate. So again, it's a rate of this. So if you integrate this amount, you get the amount that's leaving the pipe at a particular time, and it gives you a starting amount of time, starting amount of water, which is 30. So this question is very similar to question 1, and I encourage you to look at that before you attempt to solve this. So pause this video, look back, go back to this, and I think you'll be able to solve at least the first one. Let's find out. So if you've paused and you're looking now back at this, and you're still confused, let's take on question 1. So this is how many cubic feet of rainwater flow into the pipe during the 8-hour interval. Well, that is this first part. So notice that I wasn't even reading the question, but I knew exactly what I was going to ask. So integrating from 0 to 8, because we're doing for the 8-hour period, we're going to integrate RT dt, and all we got to do is type this in the calculator. So if you type in the value correctly, you get 76.57, and there's your answer. That's it. That's all you got to do. See you all in the next video.